Welcome to Learn Natural English, Idioms and Metaphors. In this lesson, we will be looking at two related idioms and metaphors. Early bird and night owl. An early bird is someone who wakes up early, or someone who arrives early to every event. On the other hand, a night owl is someone who stays awake until late into the night, or someone who is active in the evening but lazy in the morning. For example, Sheena is such an early bird. She wakes up at 5 a.m. every morning and goes jogging. I'm more of a night owl than an early bird. I like going out all night, then sleeping until noon the next day. And the English proverb, the early bird catches the worm. This proverb has been in use since at least the 17th century and means if you start something early, you are more likely to succeed. Here are a few questions for you. Are you an early bird or a night owl? Do you know anyone who is a night owl? And which do you think is healthier, being an early bird or a night owl? Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.